Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on. Wait just a moment for everything to boot. Then from here, you can access it from your touch screen or from this phone option to get to your phone lists. You may have to delete a phone first if your memory's full, because you can only have so many connected at once. So if you have to delete, simply delete yes to clear up space. And let's see, we want to add a new phone, do search new. And then from your device, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Pair new device. And then here you could do either option. Doesn't really matter. So we'll look for a Range Rover to pop up in available devices, just as it says there. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Sometimes you might have to refresh your phone, turn off, turn back on the car. Just how technology goes sometimes. But it came up. And then here, just wants me to make up one as it says here. Whereas if I clicked the other option in the beginning, I would have selected it from the car. So I'll just do 4 zeros. Yes. Want a pair, and then that same pin you just made up. And then you should be set. Oh, I must have hit an extra 0 or something. So I'll restart the process. And especially something like this would be a situation you may have to restart your device and all that and redo it brand new. So 4 zeros again. Yes, I want a pair. All right, successful pairing. Then should see it pop up here. Now it can take calls, sync up maps, listen to music, all that kind of fun stuff from your phone to here. But anyways, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.